Come test drive the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, hands-free communication, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.